So hello friends, today we are going to solve the Gauss Seidal iteration method. So here we can see we have three equations. So we have to find the values of x1, x2 and x3 by the method of Gauss Seidal iteration method. So let's begin. So we will find first x1, then x2 and then x3. Basically I have taken this problem from Chhapra book. So let's solve. So for solving x1 we have to see the coefficient of x1 which is greater and take that equation to solve it. So here we can see 3 is the bigger coefficient, so we will take that to solve x1. So 3x1 minus 0.1 x2 minus 0.2 x3 is equal to 7.85. Now I will rearrange the equation in the form of x1. So it will become 7.85 plus 0.1 x2 plus 0.2 x3 and divided by 3. So for taking for finding x1 we will take x2 and x3 is equal to 0 for the first iteration. So 7.85 plus 0.1 into 0 plus 0.2 into 0 divided by 3. So it comes out to be 7.85 divided by 3, which comes out to be 2.61667. You can find on your calculator as well. Now we will find the x2. So here we will see the coefficient of x2 and which is bigger. So here we can see the second equation has the bigger coefficient, that is 7. So we will take that equation. So I will write the equation first. 0.1 x1 plus 7 x2 plus minus 0.3 x3 is equal to minus 19.3. Now again I will arrange, we have to find x2, so I will arrange in terms of x2. It comes out to be minus 19.3 minus 0.1 x1 plus 0.3 x3 divided by 7. So here now we have got the value of x1. Put that latest value of x1 in the equation and solve, and we didn't got x3, so put it as 0. So 19.3 minus 0.1 into x1 comes out as 2.61667 plus 0.3 into 0 divided by 7. So our equation reduces to minus 19.3 minus 0.1 into 2.61667 divided by 7, and the answer comes out to be minus 2.7945. You can check on your calci as well, x2 for the first iteration. Now we got x1 and x2, and now we will solve it for x3. So here we will consider the third equation because the coefficient of third equation is greater. So I am now writing first the third equation. Third equation is 0.3 x1 minus 0.2 x2 plus 10 x3 is equal to 71.4. Now I am rearranging this equation in terms of x3. So x3 comes out to be 71.4 minus 0.3 x1 plus 0.2 x2 divided by 10, because 10 is the coefficient of x3. So I will solve. Now we have got the values of x1 and x2, so we will directly put the latest value, not 0. 0.3 into x1 as 2.61667 and plus 0.2 into minus 2.7945 divided by 10. So the value answer comes out to be 7.0056. You can check on your calci. So x1 we got it as 2.61667. Sorry, x2 as minus 2.47945 and x3 as 7.0056. And for the second iteration you can use this x1, x2 and x3 to solve the further equation. Thank you.